Identity theft poses a serious impact to national security and the economy, which ultimately influences a country's development and impose obstacles for countries to advance into e-commerce and e-government services. Cybercriminals continue to evolve, using various new tactics and tools, racking up billions of dollars worth of illegitimate gains and sapping the livelihoods of countless individuals across the globe. To date, Public Key Infrastructure, or PKI, remains the only security implementation that can effectively combat against identity theft and cyber fraud. Only PKI can achieve the four critical online security requirements: maintaining data confidentiality, ensuring authenticity of parties involved in transactions, thus preventing phishing, providing non-repudiation and enforcing accountability, preserving integrity of information. Implementing a full-blown PKI security system is complicated and costly. A standard implementation would usually require an average of 30 servers, 4 HSMs, a highly secure data center, and months of implementation time. What if all these components are available in an appliance with EAL4 Plus certified CA core and FIPS Level 3 hardware security module built in? SecureMetric is proud to introduce PKI in a Box, winner of a PICTA Award 2014. PKI in a Box is an appliance that is meant to simplify PKI implementation, including support and maintenance. Implementing PKI should be easier and with lower cost of ownership. The PKI in a Box appliance is an all-in-one solution for any organization looking to implement a certificate authority system. Its ease of deployment has helped many organizations around this region to embrace PKI for better security. By cutting down implementation time from months to weeks, organizations can now issue PKI certificates and secure their infrastructure quickly. The wizard-style user interface walks you through the entire process, making both routine and complex tasks incredibly simple. With PKI in a Box, now everyone can be a certificate authority. Want to know more? Talk to any of our local representatives or contact us. SecureMetric, formula for strong digital security.